everyone, welcome to What the Flock. Today I am going to attempt to harvest my potatoes and hope there's something in there. So we shall see. Let me get this. I'm going to save some of that soil. Man, this thing's in there good. Ooh, there's a beetle. There's a potato! Hopefully they're not all that small. Look at my baby potato. Oh, there's another little baby. I might have pulled him too soon. I sure hope not. Little potatoes. Let's see what we got. I think I might have pulled them a little too soon, guys. I should have waited. Oh well. Lesson learned. Let's see what we can get out the side here. Oh, there's some more. They're little babies. Let's see, so far I found 4. There's a bunch of tiny little babies. It looks like I should have left them longer, but my curiosity was killing me. It looked like the tops of the plants were starting to die, so I started to think they were ready, and I should have waited. I knew I should have waited, but I'm going to go ahead and keep digging, but I just thought I'd show you guys my harvest, so I might do another video if I find any more potatoes.